In this video, I'll detail how to enable auto node chimes on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 9 and you want to enable or turn on chimes on your Apple Watch Series 9, this video is going to walk you through. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do when you want to enable turn on chimes on Apple Watch Series 9 is press the two crown ones. Then while on the help library, click on the settings icon. Now on the settings page, just want to scroll down until you get to accessibility. Then click on it. Now scroll down under accessibility until you see chimes. Then click on that. Now when this is on, selected sound and bell will play every 30 minutes. And if you select 1 hour, selected sound and bell will play every 1 hour. Now to turn on chimes on your Apple Watch Series 9, just come here and turn this on. Then you feel the haptic twice instantly. Then scroll down, locate bells. Then scroll down, locate sound and choose your sound here. Then after that, you can just hit the bell button. So that's all you need to do to enable chimes on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.